Hello everyone, welcome back to our lecture. In previous lecture, we discussed topic protection of plant. In that topic, we have to discuss how to control or protect plants by different methods. In that we discuss natural control, then applied control. In that applied control, we also discuss some mechanical, cultural controls for pest and insect. Then we discuss also pesticides and insecticides. In pesticides we discuss different types of pesticides, and insecticides we have discussed insecticides which is based on mode of action of that insecticide also. And then we discuss inorganic insecticides. Now in today's lecture we have to discuss synthetic organic insecticides. These have contact and stomach poison action. Synthetic organic insecticides having contact as well as stomach poison action is there. Sometimes used as fumigants also. On the basis of their chemical nature, they are further subdivided into following types. Okay, on the basis of chemical nature of that insecticides, they are classified into following types, which is that organochlorine insecticides, organophosphorus insecticides, carbamate insecticides, and miscellaneous insecticides. Then first one, organochlorine insecticide, in which we have to discuss DDT. As you can see at corner, DDT having bottle packing like this, and structure will be like this: two benzene chlorobenzene ring attached with central carbon having CCl3 attached with that carbon, having name 111 trichloro 22 bis parachlorophenyl ethane. IUPAC name of DDT is this. Okay, preparation: when, as you can see on screen, aldehyde added with or react with 2-chlorobenzene, म्हणजे टू क्लोरोबेन्झिनचे जे क्लोरोबेन्झिनचे टू इक्वॅलंट जे आहेत त्याच्याबरोबर रिॲक्ट केलं इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ H2SO4 वी गेट ए DDT मॉलिक्यूल. प्रॉपर्टीज जर पाहिल्या, इट इज अ व्हाईट क्रिस्टलाइन कलरलेस सॉलिड. DDTचे प्रॉपर्टीज काय? व्हाईट क्रिस्टलाइन कलरलेस सॉलिड. DDT is soluble in benzene, petrol, ethanol, xylene, CCl4, but insoluble in water. As overall we can say that DDT will be dissoluble in organic solvent, not aqueous. Okay, use जर पाहिला तर DDT acts as a herbicides, fungicides and rodenticides also. म्हणजे हे कंटेंट आहे तुमच्या जे इन्सेक्टिसाइड्स किंवा पेस्टिसाइड्स आहेत त्याच्यातले कंटेंट म्हणून यूज केलं जातं. वेगवेगळे कंटेंट कमी जास्त प्रमाणात वेगवेगळ्या हर्बिसाइड्समध्ये, फंगिसाइड्समध्ये किंवा रोडेंटिसाइड्समध्ये यूज केलं जातं. इट किल्स अ वाईड रेंज ऑफ इन्सेक्ट्स बाय कॉन्टॅक्ट अँड इंजेक्शन. इट इज नॉन टॉक्सिक टू हायर ॲनिमल्स ऑल्सो. देन सेकंड वन, BHC. दिस वन इज कॉमन. तुम्ही सगळीकडे घरी पण यूज केलेलं BHC. थोडासा फॉर्मॅट इथं फक्त वेगळा असेल. BHC having name benzene hexachloride C6H6Cl6, having general formula of that BHC in gamma isomer is called lanthanum. Preparation: addition of chlorine to benzene in presence of light gives BHC. As you can see on screen reaction, benzene reacts with 3Cl2 atom. In presence of sunlight we get a BHC. Okay, properties of BHC: it is a white crystalline solid with CO2 smell. It is fairly toxic to human. It affects the nervous system, liver and kidney. जर BHC टॉक्सिसिटी ह्युमन बिंगशी रिलेटेड पाहिजे झाली तर नर्वस सिस्टीम डॅमेज होऊ शकते किंवा लिव्हर किडनी डॅमेज होऊ शकतात BHCचा कॉन्टॅक्ट आल्यानंतर तुमच्या बॉडीमध्ये. देन युजेस: BHC used to control insects, plant pests and animal parasites also. Linden used to seed disinfectants also. Then next one is aldrin, having general formula C12H8Cl6. Structure is like this, as you can see on screen. Then properties of aldrin is white crystalline solid, odorless at room temperature, insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent like benzene, ether. Also, exposed to air on plant surface disappears in less than 3 weeks, hence no danger for residual hazards. म्हणजे जर आपण ॲज अ इन्सेक्टिसाइड्स म्हणून यूज केलं तर ते 3 आठवड्यामध्ये डिसॅपिअर होऊन जातं, डिकम्पोज होऊन जातं, ते रेसिड्यू शिल्लक राहत नाही, म्हणून ते जास्त हजार्डस नाही. युजेस aldrin used to control grasshoppers and soil inhibiting insects. नागतोड्यांच्या कंट्रोलसाठी हे मोस्टली यूज केलं जातं. देन डायल्ड्रिन having general formula C12 H8Cl6 and O, structure comparative structure of aldrin is there and dialdrin is there. Only change is that epoxide is present in dialdrin and here aldrin having double bond is there in. Okay, then properties of dialdrin: it is an extremely persistent organic pollutant. It does not easily break down. It is passed along the food chain also. Long time exposure in more toxic to animal including human. Now it is banned. हे जरा जास्त टॉक्सिक आहे, त्याचा रेसिड्यू पण तुमच्या प्लांटवरती वगैरे राहू शकतो म्हणून हे बॅन केलेलं आहे. यूजेस पाहिलं तर टू कंट्रोल various harmful insects, plant pests and animal pesticides. Then chloroden having general formula C10H4Cl8, packing bottle as you can see on screen, and structure also 6 member and 5 member ring combined. Non-Bornell system is there actually and chlorine attached with that system. The properties: white crystalline solid. This chloroden is white crystalline solid. Chloroden is an organochlorine compound used as insecticides. Its beta isomers has greater insecticidal activity also. Alpha beta isomer जर consider केला तर beta isomers having greater insecticidal activity. Uses of chloroden: chloroden is used to control cockroaches, ants, household pests, soil insect and pest of vegetables and field crops, along with heptachlor is used for control of grasshoppers. Then organophosphorus insect. The next one is organophosphorus insecticides. They are the derivatives of phosphoric acid. हे जो organophosphorus insecticide है कैसे derivative? Phosphoric acid चे derivatives. They are widely used against the plant pest and domestic animals also. They have high insecticidal activity. They required in low doses. Most of the powerful contact and stomach poison. Powerful contact and stomach poison हा main role असतो, म्हणजे stomach मध्ये किंवा contact poisoning म्हणून हे act होईल. Then some have fumigant action also. For example, Parthenon, Malathion, TEPP, dimethoate and Demeton, etc. That will be we discuss in next slide. First one, Parathion, IUPACINum, OO diethyl O4-nitrophenyl phosphorus thionate, having structure like this as you can see on screen. Properties: pure compound is clearly oily liquid having boiling point 113 degrees Celsius. It is soluble in water but more soluble in organic solvents. It acts both stomach and contact poison also. It is highly toxic to warm-blooded animals like snakes. Okay, it can be absorbed skin, lungs and digestive tracts also. म्हणजे इम्पॅक्ट कुठं होतं? डायजेस्टिव्ह ट्रॅक्ट, स्किन अँड लंग्सवरती होतो बायाचा. देन युजेस: इट इज इफेक्टिव्ह अगेन्स्ट ॲफिड्स, स्पायडर माइट्स अँड अदर पेस्ट. ॲप्लिकेशन टू मोस्ट ऑफ क्रॉप्स युजली मेड 1 month बिफोर हार्वेस्टिंग. म्हणजे कधी अप्लाय करायला पाहिजे ते पण सांगितलं त्यांनी. देन मॅलाथॉन हॅव्हिंग IUPACINum, O dimethyl S12 carboethoxy ethyl phosphoro dithioate, having structure as you can see on screen and packing bottle like this. 55% malathion. Properties: malathion is brown liquid having boiling point 156 to 157 degrees Celsius. It is soluble in most organic solvents. It is highly toxic to mites and insects. It has low toxic to higher animals. Uses of this malathion: it is suitable for household, home, garden, vegetables and fruit pest control. Then dimethoate, having IUPAC name OO-dimethyl N-methyl carbamyl methyl phosphorodiethioate. Preparation: potassium salt of dimethyl dithiophosphoриc acid reacts with N-methyl chloroacetamides. Means पहिलं जे आहे तुमचं potassium salt of dimethyl dithiophosphoриc acid treated with second one N-methyl chloroacetamide, in we get a dimethoate. Okay. Properties: it is a crystalline solid having melting point 51 degrees Celsius. It is soluble in most of organic solvents. It is also soluble in water, that is both of the aqueous as well as organic solvent. This dimethoate is soluble. Uses: it is suitable for fruit larvae. It is used for side dressing or of soil around the plant also. Then next one is Dementon or Cistox. IUPAC name O-diethyl O2-ethyl thioethyl phosphorothionate. Preparation: as you can see on screen, diethyl chlorothiophosphat reacts with 2-hydroxy diethyl sulfide in presence of base, that is NaOH. We get a Cistox. Properties: it is a yellowish liquid. It is soluble in organic solvents also. And uses जर पाहिले तर it is long lasting systemic insecticide, rapidly absorbed by root, stem or foliage. Then tetraethyl pyrophosphate, in short we called it as a TEPP. Preparation: alkylation of silver salt of pyrophosphorus acid. pyrophosphorus acid सिल्वर सॉल्ट जो आहे त्याचं अल्कायलेशन जर केलं तुम्हाला काय भेटतं टेट्रा इथाइल. पण अल्कायलेशन कशाने करणार? इथाइल आयोडाइड, म्हणून तर टेट्रा इथाइल पायरोफॉस्फेट. वी गेट टेट्रा इथाइल पायरोफॉस्फेट. स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये फक्त एजी जागी काय तुमचा अल्काइल जो ग्रुप आहे इथाइल ग्रुप अटॅच झालेला दिसतो. प्रॉपर्टीज: इट इज clear oily liquid having boiling point 113 degrees Celsius. It is miscible in organic solvent like ethanol, ethyl acetate, benzene, xylene, CCl4 and naphthalene also. It is miscible in kerosene also. म्हणजे रॉकेल आहे त्याच्यामध्ये पण मिसिबल आहे. युजेस जर पाहिले TEPPचे टेट्राइथाइल पायरोफॉस्फेटचे, इट इज यूज्ड फॉर कंट्रोल ऑफ aphids and red spider mites. It is extensively poisonous to mammals also. Then carbamate insecticides, third class of insecticides. They are the derivative of carbonic acids. General formula like this, as you can see on screen, are oxygen bonded with alkyl group, then carbonyl, nitrogen attached with two alkyl groups also. Carbonic acid structure, general carbonic acid structure is that they have highly active insecticides. They are powerful contact poison. They have insecticidal as well as fungicidal activity. Carbaryl, Bayon, Timic, Misrol, Zineb, these are the examples of carbamate insecticides. Then first one, Carbaryl, having IUPAC name 1-naphthyl N-methyl carbamate. Structure as you can see on screen, and packing also is on your screen also. Then properties of this Carbaryl: it is a white crystalline solid having melting point 142 degrees Celsius. It is less soluble in water but highly soluble in organic solvents. It is marketed in the form of dust also, powder form मध्ये पण भेटेल. Uses जर पाहिले तर when properly used does not damage the plant. It is moderately toxic to human and cold-blooded animal. It is rapidly penetrate into blood and carried to all parts. Then bayon, bagon याचं IUPAC nomenclature काय आहे? 2-isopropoxypenyl N-methyl carbamate preparation, as you can see on screen, reaction preparation. Then properties: it is a white solid having melting point 91 degrees Celsius. Uh, then it is soluble in polar solvent. It is formulated as vegetable powder and dust use of it. It is used for control agriculture pest and household insect also. Then fungicides, a chemical used to kill fungal growth that are harmful to human being and plants. त्याला आपण काय कन्सिडर करतो? फंगिसाइड्स. Disease caused by fungi or fungi can damage food crops. Fungicides are sprayed or dusted on plant to kill fungal disease called rust, mildews and molds also. They are used to protect potatoes, apple and other crops. Many kinds of seed are dipped into fungicides to prevent a diseases to kill young plants also. Then classification of fungicides. Inorganic fungicides, these are made from metal compounds, borax mix, sulfur compound, lime, in short lime sulfur. Organic fungicides, compound containing CH and O element, formaldehyde, chlorine, zinc, dithiocarbamate and mesorol. These are the organic fungicides. Then inorganic fungicides, these are made from metal compound, sulfur compound, mostly lime sulfur. Copper compounds have been widely used to protect against mildew or fruit trees, grapes, vines and vegetables and to treat seeds. So, sulfur and lime sulfur are used to control scab and fungal diseases called brown rot which attacks fruits. Brown rotच्या डिसीजवरती sulfur lime यूज केलं जातं. Sulfur is also used to control certain plant disease, insect and mites. Lime sulfur, limestone plus sulfur plus water, 1:1:10 ratio limestone and sulfur and water is used to spray for fruit trees to control powdery mildew, apple scab, peach leaf curl, brown rot of stone fruits and रेड माइट म्हणजे कुठल्या डिसीजवरती यूज केलं जाते सांगितलं त्यांनी. देन बोरॉडेक्स मिक्सचर प्रिपरेशन, कॉपर सल्फेट प्लस लाइम प्लस वाटर, it gives a borax mixture. Properties, it is a mixture of copper sulfate solution, lime solution in the ratio of 1:1 diluted 10 times with water. The mixture is prepared by adding copper sulfate solution slowly into lime solution with constant agitation is there. The residual mixture is neutral or slightly alkaline and has no injurious effect on foliage, and the mixture is applied immediately after preparation. Freshly prepared borax mixture is of gelatinous and help deep blue to slightly greenish in color. Then the free copper is tested by adding few drops of 10% solution of K4Fe6 to small quantity of mixture, and reddish brown deposit indicates the presence of free copper in the mixture. Identification कसं ते सांगितलंय. It should be sprayed while fresh and as on standing it loses its fungicidal properties. Apply कधी करायचं ते पण सांगितलं. It can be stabilized by adding sugar. Uses of borax mixture, it is effective against mildews, lead, blight of potatoes and tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, beets, alfalfa and medicinal plants. Then organic fungicides, dithiocarbamates, they are derivatives of dithiocarbamic acid which does not occur in free state. General formula, R1 usually an aromatic ring, म्हणजे हा सल्फरला जो अटॅच R1 दिसतो तो aromatic असतो मोस्टली. देन R2 usually मिथाइल ग्रुप, R2 जो नायट्रोजनला अटॅच दिसतो इकडं तो मिथाइल असेल, and R3 having hydrogen as well as CH3 group also. Then preparation, dithiocarbamate is prepared by treating amine with carbon disulfide to form dithiocarbonic acid, which on treatment with NaOH gives sodium salt. म्हणजे dithiocarbamate CH2 म्हणजे carbon disulfide बरोबर treat केले in presence of NaOH, we get a dithiocarbamate. Uses the sodium salt of ethylene bis dithiocarbamate used with Zn, zinc sulfate and calcium oxide. Okay, these salt are used to combat vegetables blight, particularly potato and tomato. म्हणजे mostly potato tomato वरती. Then timic, S-methyl 2-methyl thiopropanoidyl aldoxime, N-methyl carbamate. These are the IUPAC name of timic. Preparation, it is prepared by reaction of the corresponding oxime to methyl isocyanide. methyl isocyanide आणि oxime ची particular oxime ची reaction केली तर timic हे जे तुम्हाला भेटतं. Packing as you can see on screen. Properties, it is a white crystalline substance having melting point 100 degrees Celsius. In spite of its high toxicity, it has been poisoned as a systemic nematicide. Uses of timic, it is used to control weeds in the planting of beans, beets, carrots, potato and many other crops. टिमिकचा यूज सांगितलं त्यांनी कशावरती केला जातो तो. Then mesuron, having iupacinium 4-methyl mercapto 3,5-dimethylphenyl N-methyl carbamate. Preparation is, it is prepared by reaction of 4-methyl mercapto 3,5-dimethylphenol म्हणजे benzene lattice दिसते. Then with methyl isocyanide in presence of triethylamine and organic solvent, we get a mesuron. Properties, it is a crystalline odorless substance having melting point 122 degrees Celsius. It is highly soluble in most organic solvent but almost insoluble in water. It is a broad spectrum insecticide for the control of pests of fruits and vegetables. These are the uses of this mesuron. Then zinc, zinc ethylene bis dithiocarbamate, having structure as you can see on screen. Preparation, on preparation reaction, it is precipitated from aqueous solution of diammonium or disodium ethylene bis dithiocarbamate by zinc sulfate, as you can see on screen reaction. Properties, it is a white crystalline substance. Use, it is one of the most important fungicide used in agriculture. Other fungicides like Avedex, Farbam, Xeram, Manip are used to control apple rust, fruit rotting and leaf disease of vegetables. These are the uses of zinc. Then herbicides, definition of herbicides is a chemical compound used to control or destroy unwanted plant. Herbicides are sometimes called weed killers. म्हणजे herbicides तुमचे जे काय गवत वगैरे ते नष्ट करण्यासाठी यूज केले जातात. Farmers use herbicides to control weeds growing among crops. These are also used to eliminate weeds from lawns, parks, industrial sites and other areas to provide more effective method of weed control. They are classified on the basis of their mode of action. These are of two types, selective and non-selective. Selective herbicides is used to kill the weeds only without damaging crops. Non-selective herbicides destroy all crops and vegetation. They are also called total weed killers and are used along drive roads, railways and other places where people do not want any plant to grow. Selectivity depends on anatomical, morphological and physiological features of the plant. म्हणजे जी काही सिलेक्टिव्ह असतील, काही नॉन सिलेक्टिव्ह असतील. म्हणजे जिथं तुम्हाला काहीच ठेवायचं नाही तिथं नॉन सिलेक्टिव्ह, जिथं सिलेक्टिव्हली तुम्हाला काय ठेवायचं म्हणजे पिकामध्ये तुम्हाला सिलेक्टिव्ह वापरावं लागेल हर्बिसाइड, आणि जिथं तुम्हाला काहीच ठेवायचं नाही कुठल्या प्रकारचं गवत वगैरे तिथं नॉन सिलेक्टिव्ह तुम्ही वापरू शकता. म्हणजे सगळंच ते काय करणार, नष्ट करून टाकणार. एक्झाम्पल 2,4-D मीन्स जनरली हे तुम्ही वापरता 2,4-D सॉल्ट having general name 2,4-D, 2,4-dichlorophenox acetic acid, 2,4,5-T, 2,4,5-trichlorophenox acetic acid, and EMCPA means 4-chloro-2-methyl-phenox acetic acid. These are the examples of herbicides. These herbicides are translocated throughout the weed plants or absorbed either by roots or above ground parts of the weeds. हे herbicides weed आधी absorb करून घेतात root through, leaf through, नंतर त्याचा इफेक्ट होतो. They are classified on the basis of their effect on weed. आता मागचं काय झालं सिलेक्टिव्हिटी वरती, आता classified on the basis of their effect on weed. Systematic herbicides, they can move along vascular system of the plant acting on their entire organism. म्हणजे डायरेक्टली व्हस्क्युलर सिस्टीम थ्रू म्हणजे सगळीकडे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होईल पहा तुमच्या वेडमध्ये. दे आर इफेक्टिव्ह अगेन्स्ट पेरेनियल weeds with a deep root system and also against shrubs. म्हणजे कशावर इम्पॅक्ट होऊ शकतो, शर्ब्सवरती आणि डीप रूट सिस्टीम जे वीड्समध्ये आहेत त्यावरती इम्पॅक्ट होईल याचा. युनिफॉर्म ॲप्लिकेशन इज नीडेड फॉर द ट्रान्सलोकेटेड केमिकल वेअर ॲज कम्प्लीट कव्हरेज इज नॉट नीडेड. ओके. Then contact herbicides, they kill only the part of the plant to which they are applied but are not virtually translocated in the plant. म्हणजे हे कॉन्टॅक्ट जेवढा पार्टचा त्या वीडचा कॉन्टॅक्ट आला तेवढंच डिस्ट्रॉय करेल, तसं सिस्टमॅटिक सगळं डिस्ट्रॉय करेल. सिस्टमॅटिक herbicides, they do not affect the root system of weeds. Okay. Then EPTM or EPTC, S-ethyl N-N-dimethyl-N-propyl thiocarbamate, having name of EPTC preparation as you can see on screen. Okay, properties.